This is compassion. We cannot tolerate when we see other people are suffering. Prabhupada says not only tolerate other people, we cannot tolerate when even animals are suffering. Therefore, there is a devotee, is in this quality, is never violent. Violent means giving pain. Why? He cannot even see other people suffering. He cannot, that's the quality of a great personality. Karuna is this also. Karuna means you cannot see other person suffering. And then once you come to this platform, actually then you preach. Name Ruchi Jive Daya. When you taste the holy name of the Lord, you can see the whole world suffering, being bereft of this taste and suffering the threefold miseries. And then actually a person preaches, and the preaching touches the heart of another person. Janma Shwarya Shuta Shivi Edamana Madahapuman Na Evarti Abhitatum Vaitama Kincha Janma Shwarya Shuta Janma Aishwarya Shuta Shi. If these becomes the goal of my life, then what happens? It is difficult for me. Na Evarti Abhitatum Vaitama Kinchana Gochara. It's very difficult to achieve Krishna when Janmashwarya Shutashi is giving me some amount of satisfaction. Correct? These are also kind of sense gratification. Oh, I got a great birth. Aishwarya, I got some money. You're feeling some satisfaction. Then where is it? You should be only drinking the satisfaction. See, basically, these are instructions for somebody who wants to come to the platform of Shuddha Bhakti. Has been always been telling. If you just think that, okay, I will be enjoying this word, I will be comfortable in this word, and that is it, then that is not actually the goal of your life. Sometimes we get very happy in doing some mixed devotional service. Now, Prabhupada has not made ISKCON for mixed devotional service. ISKCON has been created for pure devotional service. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada's purports are always platform of pure devotional service. We don't dilute we dilute, okay, then don't preach. Just keep your mouth shut. Because this ISKCON movement is for pure devotion service. Shuddha Bhakti is the goal of life. Don't agitate. Ninda, don't do Ninda. Very nice words. And Prabhupada says, Ninda is destructive, not constructive. Encouragement is constructive. Correct? So always when you are encouraging people, people also are happy with you. And it reflects. You're also very happy. And when you are a Ninda you're doing, you actually cause pain. Yesterday I was reading that even in normal office, when people get into Ninda, means politics, actually they destroy their career. One analysis, the karmi's analysis, because there's a negative energy. Ninda is negative energy. Why you want to do Ninda? Take care.